So, good day everyone. My name is Jonalie Marias Malonzo from BTLEB HE2 and I will be your demo teacher for today. And ang topic na i-discuss natin is fish scales tell the age of a fish. Before we proceed to the discussion, let us pray first. So, yun nga, ang ating i-discuss ngayon is fish scales na nakakapag-identify ng kanilang age. But, before that is, magkakaroon muna tayo ng energizer. Huhulaan nyo lang kung anong isda yung ipapakita ko. So, una. So, anyone? Sige, ikaw na. Tama ka. Ang galing mo. So, pangalawa. Tama ka ulit. Goldfish. Ang pangatlo. Ano yan? Tama kayo, salmon. So, that is our energizer. And here is our objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will understand how rings of the scale grow and identify the fish age by its scale. So first, why do fish need scales for? So, kailangan nila ng fish scales for protection. Yung scales nila is nag-act ng parang armor, no? Helping protect the fish from the sharp things or sharp objects sa sea, and even parasite bacteria in the water. Without scales, fish will be more vulnerable to injuries or even infection. Scales are super important for a fish survival. They help them protect themselves. They can help them swim also, no? And they can help them hide, like camouflage, kumbaga. So, take a look at this photo that I'm going to show you. This scale is an Atlantic salmon fish scale. So, ayun nga, no? Para siyang katulad ng puno kapag hinati mo siya, no? May ganyan ka rin makikita sa puno. Tapos mag-indicate din dun kung ilang taon na yung puno na yun. So, ganun din dito sa fish scales. Meron din siyang rings. At ma-identify mo rin kung ilang taon na yung isda na yun. So, scales shows ring that indicates period of growth. Rings that are farther apart occurs when the fish grows well and there is a lot of food in the summer season. Rings that are closer together occurs when the fish does not get much food and grows slowly. So, yun yung sa panahon kasi yun. Sa summer season kasi is maraming food intake or mas maraming nakukonsume ang mga isda tuwing summer season kumpara sa winter season. Kaya, nga, no, as I said before is, kapag mas maraming nai-intake ang fish is parang yung rings ng scales nila is parang mas parang naka-spread out kumpara sa season na limited lang yung nakakain nila. So, para naman ma-identify mo kung ilang taon na yung isda by its scales is makikita mo to yung parang rings na naka-DN. Katulad na lang nito. Ayan. Ito. pa. Ito, 1 years old. Kasi ang pag-grow po kasi ng scale ng fish is diba, katulad po na to. Ito, 1 to. Yung grow niya is palabas po. Kaya ito, yan o. Ito yung una nilang scale, 1 years old, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya, so, ayun, 5 years old yung may-ari ng fish scale na ito. Yan. Each year naman is nagkakaroon ng bagong layer yung fish scale na mga isda. Kaya, yan. Yan. Pag nakita mo, makikita na naman to sa microscope. Yan. Pag tinignan yung microscope is makikita niyan. Yan. Yung mga rings, para yan. And dun yung ma-identify kung ilang taon na yung isda. That is all for today. Thank you.